Hey friends, we'll be back again to this new video tutorial with the OSP Pro. Hey guys, I know it has been a long time since I've been making the other first videos, but I'm back. I've been just kinda sick a little bit for some while time. Now today simply I'm going to show you how you can always connect up python2 and python3 all in terminal on command prompt if you're using Windows. Now I want to just show you from my terminal. If you try to open up my terminal or my command prompt, this is what we always get up. We shall find that in our terminal I'll get something like, I can use Python. If I say pip2, you shall see that pip2 is working. This one is python2. We shall check that python2 is working. Just waiting. Hope you can see this python2, whereby python2 stands for Python. Pip2 means stands Python 2.7, and if you say pip3, simply that's Python 3.3. Okay, Python 3 and above. Now I know some of you guys don't know how to always configure this, or you don't know how to configure this on your terminal, which I would like us guys to set it now at the moment, so that you can at least have Python 2 and Python 3 already connected in your terminal, so that at least you can download all those modules or those other packages that you would like to use in your machine. Now to do that, let me just start by first of all clearing all of this, and I show you one thing we have to do. Now the first thing you have to do, make sure that at least you have already set path in your Python. If you have not yet, you don't know how to set path in your Python, then please watch this video and see how to come up with that. Now the first thing you're going to do, go and look for the place where you happen to install your Python. Now my Python is in C. I'm looking at now moment at Python 2.7, which is Python 27. Just double click here and go to scripts, double click there. Now that's enough. Just come and copy up that, right click and copy it. Go to your computer here, right click, and then you go to what known as properties. Then you go to advanced system settings. Make sure you select advanced system settings. You go to environment variables. Now here up you shall be having to add a path. So the thing you're going to do there, you just have to click new. After clicking new, then you come and just type the one known as path, and inside here you could simply type one known as python that blah blah script, then you click OK. Now after doing so, come down also here, look for one known as path. If you don't have one, then create one. You always find it there as long as path is already set there. Just come also here down, click on it, click on the word you see path. Now here don't create new, instead edit. Then definitely add what known as edit, and then you say new. You click on new, and then after saying new, you paste it there, your Python. I think you can see one of mine is here, and the same as what I'm saying. At the end of the day, when you click OK, the path of your Python, it will be when it's done, or it will be when it is set, in a simple term. Now that's a simple way how you can simply say how you can add Python to the path. Now after adding that Python to the path, go back again to your C, look for one known as users, look for one known as OSP or you whatever on your machine, and then look for upper data, look for local, and then here just look for Python. Here we shall be looking for check that. Look for temp files, and then inside temp files, looking for that stuff. Now if you try to cross check that, that's enough for us to make sure that Python 2.7 is ready in a terminal or ready in command prompt, as long as you do as I've said or as I've happened to instruct you. Now for Python 3, always to get Python 3 already set in your command prompt, maybe what I'd forgotten, and I'm sorry, what I'd forgotten not to tell you is that Python 3 it does not need even you to set it to the command prompt, because to the environment variables, because as you install it just goes straight by default. So that's it, my friends. So if you now happen to come back into my CMD and maybe you try to type one known as pip3 or python2, you should find that python2 should actually work out for you. And if you happen to say pip3 trust me, I expect you guys to get something like that. So if you have that, then that's great. So that's how you can always set up Python to your command prompt. Now members, if you're new to this programming videos with me, OSP Pro, make sure please you subscribe to my channel. Please support me by you subscribing to my channel. And any of you who need at least some books for reading, especially for Python, please just subscribe down to my channel, and then you send me your email address, or just subscribe and then you hit me up with your email address, and then I can simply try to send the book down to you on your email address. So guys, thanks for watching. Please, if anyone who wants to talk with me or chat with me as in the video, I have no problem. You can also follow me on my Facebook. Just type Oguti David Brian on Facebook, and you can always find yourself hitting up. Or if not so, you can also check more on my Gmail account by you just drop down your email address, and then you just ask if at all I would like maybe if you like to talk with me as a person, then that's great also. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope what I've done is good for you. Hope we meet next time in next video. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you all.